Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on DOOGEE V30. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now click continue, click use pattern, and here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And your account has been deleted, so now let's recover it, and you have to use for this application such as Google Play, for example, where you have to log into your account to use it. And then click sign in. And now enter your email address. And now, as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover my account I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. And now click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And my account has been recovered and I'm logged in again into my account. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.